the Feed the Beast Direwolf20 installation video and modification instructions. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to watch that video if you haven't already and download the files that are recorded there. If you have not yet done that, please take a moment to pause the video, go to this forum thread for the HeroBEAST, HeroCraft, Feed the Beast server. It is on our public forums in the general folder. And scroll down to the install selection here for the install and follow these steps to get those files downloaded, and then we'll go ahead and start from there. All right. So the first thing you're going to want to do is, after you've installed Feed the Beast, is to, of course, to launch it. And I will show you here with the Direwolf20 pack, or any of the packs really, you can choose the Edit Mod Pack button, which will open your mod pack editor. And this is a very nice feature that really helps to streamline the ability to add mods to your various Minecraft installations, various packs and whatnot. You'll notice across the top of the mod pack editor there are 4 tabs that you need to have a little bit of variance on what they all do. So there's a mods tab, a jar mods tab, and a core mods tab, as well as a mod pack version, which we'll discuss later. The mods tab is just that. It is files that would be a .zip or a .jar file that simply need to be placed within the mods directory of your Minecraft installation, or in this case your Direwolf20 Minecraft installation. All right, and what you can do is, as you can see, I've already got my custom mob spawner, custom NPCs, and Dr. Zarks from the previous video installed in here. But what you can do is just simply click your Add Mod, identify where you've stored those mods. I like to store all of my mods in very simple files. Of course, I bury them way deep. But so under my D drive, actually, I have my downloads, Minecraft servers, Feed the Beast tests, and then my Forge mods. And so within this file, I have all of the different mods that I've been testing. And here you can see your custom mob spawner, custom NPCs, Dr. Zark's mode creatures, etc. So if you need to add any of the .zips or .jar files that normally would go into your mods file structure, this is the interface you would choose to use those. So let me show you real quick where this is. So my D drive, and if you've watched my last video, you know this is where I installed my my Direwolf20. Here it is. My Direwolf20 mod package is here, and here's my Minecraft installation. And if I go to my mods folder, this is where they are. I did not copy these here. The launcher editing feature, the pack editing feature, did that for me. So it put them in the proper location. Dr. Zarks, custom NPCs, custom mob spawner. All right. So that's that. I'm not going to add any because I've already got them in there. And we'll move on to the next tab here, which is the jar mods. Now, jar mods are mods that are required to be incorporated into the Minecraft.jar file itself. So this is where you would normally have to go through your Minecraft file, go to bin, find your Minecraft jar, open it with a WinRAR or 7-zip, and then you'd have to drag and drop files into this folder, or into this file structure. That's a jar mod. You're modifying the jar, the Minecraft.jar, in fact. All right, so those would go through the same process using the mod pack editor. So instead of me having to drag and drop those files, the mod pack editor does it intelligently for me. And as you can see, my GUI API has been installed and my Optifine has been installed. And I can use the exact same feature set here by going to Add Mod, locating the mods that I want to add as far as a jar mod is concerned, selecting them here, and then hitting open or cancel, whichever is more appropriate. If you had selected a new one, you would put open. And it'll list it here, and it'll enable that for you when you open your mods. Now, core mods is the third type of mod, if you will, and this is just as it says. It's a mod that goes into the core mods folder versus the mods folder. Okay, so these would be things like your chicken code core, your not enough items, and as you can see here, chicken code core, not enough items. If you had another type of core mod, you would want to again do the same feature set: add mod, locate it, highlight it, hit open, and it would list it under enabled mods. Okay, that's your 3 main types of mods. These are the 3 major things you can do with this pack editor. It's very simple, very, very easy, and it just takes care of all of the hassle, all of the headache. Remember, mods go into the mod directory under Minecraft. All right. Jar mods are mods that are going to modify the Minecraft.jar file. Core mods go into the core mods under Minecraft. Very simple. The only way you can tell which mod is which is by reading the instructions that come with the mod you downloaded. So on the forum or whatever website you got that mod from should be an install instruction. And if the install instruction says, okay, open up your Minecraft.jar and then open up the other zip file and copy files, then you know you're talking about a jar mod. If it says just to take this folder or this file and drop it in your mods folder, you know it's just a standard mod. And otherwise, the others would say put it in the core mods folder. That would be a core mod. Now, if for some reason you need to roll back a various version or choose a different version of whatever mod pack you're trying to run, you can come to this mod pack version. And from here, you normally want to keep it on the recommended version, which is going to be the newest, latest, and greatest. But if you needed to roll back to, say, 3 or to 2 or to 1, let's say the server was still on version 3 and somehow you accidentally updated your client to 4, you can roll it back by choosing 3 and then relaunching your Direwolf20 installation, and it'll overwrite it. Okay, that's how you use the mod pack editor. And then once you've got it all in here, you want to go ahead and hit launch. Now, sometimes it will ask you, it'll pop up a little message saying there is a new mod pack available. Do you want to update? You're going to want to say no when that window pops up, because if there is an actual server change to a different update and the clients need to change to a different update, I will go ahead and put that through our test environment. I will make sure that everything works, everything is good to go, and then I will release out on the forum saying, hey, okay, we've pushed out to this version on Friday or whatever day. We'll just designate a time as to when those files will be available, and everyone will need to make sure they are updated to whatever the status quo is. But for the most part, when it says there's a new version available, you're going to want to say no, because you'll be out of sync with the server. All right, so that's a real quick update on how to use those features for Feed the Beast. I hope it's helpful for you. It is a very excellent tool to know how to use in your Feed the Beast client. All right, have a good time, guys, and I'll see you on the forums, or I'll see you on the server. All right.